Baitcasters. So many people are afraid of these reels, and they shouldn't be. Here's what typically happens. Somebody gets a baitcaster either for a gift, or they go to the store and they pick it up, they put line on it, they take it out, they go to make their first cast, they throw it really hard, and they get a backlash, a professional overrun, a kid's mess, whatever you want to call it. They get a big knot and they never throw it again. I want to show you how to cast a baitcaster with confidence. Let's start with the first time you ever pick it up. This right here is the tension. Tighten it all the way up. Now, I like to have a bait that doesn't have a lot of resistance, that's fairly heavy. It's gonna allow you to throw it. And again, we're just trying to build confidence in using this reel, and eventually you'll be able to throw all the lures with it. But a nice heavy weight. I've got the tension turned all the way up, super important, so that when I press this button, the line does not go out. Your thumb becomes the brains of the reel, but if you start with your drag tight, it's not going to spin too fast, which is what causes the backlash. When I come back to take a cast, I toss it out nice and easy, and I feel the spool turn with my thumb. Reel it in, do it again. Try a little bit harder each time, and eventually you're going to loosen up the tension on this spool so that when you press the button down, the spool just starts to turn by the weight of the lure. That's going to be the sweet spot. It changes with the weight of every lure that you tie on, so you kind of always want to adjust this until you get really comfortable operating the spool with the brains in your thumb. Now, baitcasters, man, you can launch a bait. They're a very, very, very effective way to catch a lot of fish, and really they can be a useful tool that you get a lot of confidence in by simply starting out slowly and always keeping the tension in mind.